Hi everybody, my name is Martin, QA engineer at Tatum, and in this video I will show you how to utilize our TypeScript SDK to get the history of the NFT transactions. First you need to import our SDK, tatum.com.js. Then you need to initialize the SDK on Ethereum network. In this example I will use Ethereum mainnet. And here, easy method, get all NFT transactions, where you put the token ID of the NFT you want to trace, and of course the token address of the collection where the NFT is coming from. First, we need to install our SDK. And then we can run the example. Here you can see in the output all the transactions of the specific NFT, and you can see if it was outgoing or incoming transactions and the addresses where it came from. If you need to know more, you can check our documentation. The link will be in the description, and you can check the code snippet I just used, or you can use the code pens to try it in the web and see how it works. Hope it helps, and see you around.